In this video, I will show you how to mute YouTube video. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is first of all have your YouTube video opened. Now there's a couple of ways you can actually mute and unmute a YouTube video. The first way to do this is if you hover your mouse cursor over the video, you're going to get the play bar and some icons come up at the bottom. What you want to do is come to the play button, and next to this you're going to see your volume slider. If you actually hover over the speak icon, you're going to see an option to mute. So what you can do is give that a click. You're going to see the speaker is going to change to this icon with a cross, which means that the sound is muted. And to unmute, all we need to do is simply click onto this again. And there's also a shortcut key, which if you press M on your keyboard, this is also going to mute and unmute a YouTube video. Now, another way you can do this is if you actually come up to the tab at the top, what you want to do is right click on the tab to bring up this menu, and on this menu you're going to see an option to mute site. So give that a click, and what that's going to do is also mute this complete tab, this complete website. And again, to unmute this, come up to the top, right click onto the tab and just click onto unmute site. So that's how to mute YouTube video. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.